Hello everyone, this is Sudhir and welcome back to my class. So you understood today what I am going to teach you, right? Yes, that is about the playing cards. So we have 53 playing cards. In that one card we should remove, that is the joker card. So rather than the remaining cards, we have 52 cards. Again the 52 cards are divided into black color and red color cards. So 52 cards are dividing into two equal cards mean then we have here 26 black colors and 26 red color. Again these 22 black colors are divided into, see this not only 26 black color and red color cards also, so just it is divided into like spade, club, diamond and heart cards. Okay, so what is this? These 26 cards are divided again into two colors. That means two black color, one is a spade and black club. Black spade and black club both are belongs to black colors only. Okay, so these 26 are dividing into 13 cards. Now we have the 26 red color. The red color cards are again divided into heart and diamond. Okay, so 13 heart cards and 13 diamond cards. Okay, now answer here children. So how many black color cards are there? Yes, 26. And how many red color cards are there? This one also 26. Okay, so how many heart cards are there? 13. How many diamond cards are there? 13. How many black spade cards are there? That is 13. And how many black club cards are there? 13 cards. So you got the total picture of the playing cards, right? Now here we are going to discuss now about the face card. We have the different type of the face card. One is jack, another one is queen, and third one is king. Okay, these three cards are called the face cards. So can you tell me how many face cards are there here? That is total 12 cards because three cards are there. Jack, queen, king. These three are belongs to the face card. So here we have the three face cards and here three face card and here three and here three. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 fours are 12 face cards are there total. Understood? And next one is ace card. The symbol is A here. This A card is ace card. Okay. So how many ace cards are there? Yes, here also 4. That 4 are belongs to this 4. Got it? So not only ace cards, not only face cards. If you take any card, these all cards are in the 4 category. For example, you are taking a number 5. That 5 we have in spade and club and red heart and red diamond also. Okay. So this is the total picture of the cards. Now, how the questions will ask? We will discuss now. Yes children, now here I came with different questions to discuss with you which is important for the board examination. So few questions, almost 14 questions I have written here. So you try to answer another question. So what is the king of red color? King of red color. How many red color cards are there? Total 26. In that king color, king card. So king card is there belongs to this 4. Here and here. So in these 4 cases king card are there. But the question is king of red color. King of red color means here in heart card we have the king color, king card and in diamond also. In diamond also we have a king card. So total how many cards? 2 cards are there. 2 out of 52. Overall here we have 52 cards. Now 2 ones and 2 26 will be cancelled. 1 by 26 is your answer for this question. And face card. So already we have discussed how many face cards are there. In this 3 and here 3 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. 3 fours are 12 face cards are there. So 12 out of 52. Now 4 threes. Okay. So 4 ones and 4 13. So 3 by 13 is the answer for this question. 3 by 13. Now red face card. Red face card. Actually face cards we have here 3 cards in the heart and diamond also we have the 3 cards. Total 6 red face cards we have there. So that the answer is 6 by 52. So 2 threes and 2 26 will be cancelled here. So 3 by 26 is the answer for this. And next jack of heart. Heart card is there here. In this heart card we have again 13 cards. That is ace. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and jack card, king and queen. So these 13 cards are there in this. But the question is asked here. Jack of heart. Only we have one jack of heart card. So that the answer for this 1 by 52. So we can try to write the answer. King of red color. We have their answer. The 2 kings are there. So 2 by 52. This is the answer for 1 by 26. And face cards we have total 12 face cards there. So 12 by 52. 12 by 52 answer here we got it. That is 3 by 13. And the red face cards we have the total 6 red face cards there. So 6 out of 52 6 out of 52, we get it here 6 out of 52, that is 3 by 26. Now the spade card. Spade card, we have the total 13 cards here. So 13 divided by 52, 13 ones and 13 fours will be cancelled. 1 by 4. So 1 by 4 is the probability of spade card. Okay. So queen of diamond. So observe here the queen of diamond. The queen of diamond, we have only one card. One, because in diamond we have 13 cards, but in the queen card only one. So the queen of diamond is 1 by 52. Next, ace card. How many ace cards are there here? 4 ace cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. In 4 cases we have the 4 ace cards. So that 4 divided by 52, 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4 and 4 threes, that means 4 13 times are cancelled. 1 by 13 is the answer for this question. Now, not B and ace. Not B and ace. Total 4 cards are there out of 52. Out of 52, 4 ace cards. Then what are the remaining cards here? That is 48. Overall 52 cards. From this you can subtract this ace card. You have now 48 cards. 48 out of 52. So, 4 12s are 4 13s are cancelled. Then 12 by 13 is the answer for this question. Got it? And the next one, queen. How many queen cards are there? In spade we have a queen, club we have a queen, in heart we have a queen, and in the diamond we have a queen. Total 4 queen cards here. So observe the 4 queen cards here. So we have the answer now 4 by 52. So 4 ones and 4 13s cancel. 1 by 13 is the answer for this question, children. Now red king. Red king. Already we have written here red face. Of course, here also written the king of a red color, or here the red king. The answer is the same. We have total 2 red kings there. So 2 out of 52. The answer we can get 1 by 26. Now face cards. So repeated questions only here. Face cards we have already total 12 cards. So 12 out of 52. So we can write here 4 threes and 4 13 times cancel. So 3 by 13. Spade. How many spade cards we have there? Total 13 spade cards. So 13 out of 52 we write for this answer. 13 out of 52. So 13 ones and 13 fours will be cancelled. So 1 by 4 is the answer for this. Of course, here also we have written the same question. Now the face card of the spade. Face card of the spade. Just you can observe the face card of the spade. In the spade we have the 3 face cards. So 3 out of 52 is the answer. 3 out of 52. So 3 ones are 3. And here 3 ones. Okay, so we can't cancel by the 3 table, right? So it is 3 by 52. And not a face card. Already we have written here not a face. Sorry, not a face card, not written. Total we have the 12 cards of the face cards. So out of 52, you can remove these 12 face cards. We have 40 cards now. These 40 cards are not belongs to the face cards. So that we write here 40 divided by 52. So answer is 4 10s and 4 13s. You can write now 10 by 13 is the card which are belongs to the not a face. So not a face card. Okay. So this is the total concept. Not only this one, children. In the examination they can ask any type of the question, but the maximum models I have covered here belongs to the card. Maximum model I have covered. So I hope you understood today's concept about this playing cards. Very important topic, children, for the board examination. If you know the whole this picture, that is what belongs to the card. How many cards are there? 52. So again that 52 cards is divided into 2 categories like black color and red color. Black color we have 26 and red color also we have the 26. These black colors are divided again into spade is 13 spade and 13 club. Again the red color also divided into 13 heart cards and 13 diamond cards. Got it? So from this the number of questions. So in board examination they can ask any type of the question. But if you know the picture of this one about this, so then you can answer for any question. But you try to write the answer just step by step. For example, one question I am discussing with you. Okay, so king of a red color. Now we have to discuss. You have to write the answer for the king of the red color. How can you write? So you have to write the number of possible outcomes. Number of possible outcomes are 52. What is your favorable outcome here? King of red color. So the number of favorable outcomes are 2. Therefore, the probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes. That is equal to 2 divided by 52 is equal to 1 by 26 is your answer. So similarly, one more we discuss. Face card. Number of possible outcomes 52. Number of face cards in well shuffled deck of cards. So well shuffled deck of cards mean no. So when they are just shuffling like this, okay, just they will arrange like this here. Then we can select the card from that. So when you are selecting the card in this, the card, it must be a face card. That is the challenge here for this. Okay, so face card, we have the 12 face cards. So what you write now? So number of favorable outcomes are is equal to how many face cards we have total? So 3 4s are 12, so that 12 face cards. So 12 divided by 52, because the probability is equal to number of favorable outcomes by number of possible outcomes. So 12 divided by 52. So by cancelling you can get the answer. So this is the process. Okay. So just you can don't write simply like this only in one word, but you can write the step by step. Okay. So concept is very easy. I hope you understood and you enjoyed today's concept. Right. So that's the matter today, children. So take care. Bye and jai hind.